Where do I start? Hey guys, and welcome to, I'm not really sure what I'm going to make this YouTube channel anymore, but hello if you haven't seen me in forever. I'm Candy, or Candice, and I haven't been here for a really long time, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to figure myself out right now, so hopefully you guys want to come on this crazy journey called life with me. I've been on Twitch. If you guys have noticed, I haven't really been on YouTube on this channel anyways. I've had a separate channel where I tackle tough topics around mental health and mostly sexuality topics and just taking the stigma away from that. But I'm finding I'm not really feeling joy in that anymore, and I wanted to take a step back and try and reassess because I can feel that the burnout is real. And I just wanted to take the time to record this video for you guys to say I'll be coming back to this channel. Now, we're not going to be doing minis. I've done minis for over 11 years, and I'm not really feeling that anymore. I hope you guys can understand. And I do have a backlog of old videos that I see that you guys are still super enjoying up to today, which is amazing, and thank you for that. I really appreciate that. But I want to focus more on the drawing side of things, because I went to school, if you guys didn't know, I went to school for animation, and I work full-time as a 3D lead layout artist on a show called Muppet Babies. Now you guys can go check that out on your leisure on the YouTube-verse, but I digress. I'm realizing that I don't really have as much time as I would like to devote to all the different aspects of my life. So Etsy, social media, Twitch, YouTube, all these things. So I'm taking a step back. I'm going to really just focus on what brings me joy for the next month. And part of that is just going to be just me hanging out with you guys, vlogging. I'm hoping to upload my first YouTube video back on this channel, and I'll be using my iPad, and I will be working on my patron tier little emotes, or little drawings, I should say. I drew these last night, so I'm going to really flesh these out on Procreate, and I'm hoping to do like a little time-lapse thing with you guys, where you guys get to see like the top down of me working on the tablet, as well as like a little speed paint kind of thing. So I really want to get back into what I actually studied in school. I feel like I'm always fighting it. I'm always doing other things, and I'm like, I know this stuff. Why don't I go back to the thing that I love and that I'm finding the joy of? Because if any of you guys have gone to art school in any sense, you guys, I'm sure, definitely have felt the burnout of just being told you have to draw all the time. And me personally, I didn't feel like drawing outside of what I was told in class. And I'm sure that was a lot of my downfall as to why I never felt comfortable drawing or anything like that. But hopefully you guys will come on this journey with me, enjoying drawing again, finding my style, evolving my style, and really just learning how to draw again. And I've been really enjoying doing planner pages. This is one thing I'm super passionate about and have been for quite some time, in my different planner pages. And I put down all the information in here for work, as well as stream schedules and things like that. But I am starting to get into the realm of making stickers. As you can see, here is my Cricut back here. And I want to take you guys on this journey of really figuring out how to make stickers. And for me, it's starting as something for me. And I mean, there's always this grandiose idea of I want to monetize my hobbies, and I know this might be a problem or just something that's in the back of my brain, but it's like I want to share what I love with other people, and I want to take you guys on this journey because I do still have an Etsy store with a whole bunch of my minis that I'm trying to sell off, and I'm planning on launching my planner sticker page, hopefully, or my planner sticker Etsy shop, hopefully by the summer. And I'm really just trying to focus on that and my Patreon and that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys want to come on this journey with me. It's going to be more of like an evening vlog situation because I've got a full-time job and I can't take you guys there because NDA and that kind of stuff. But, you know, making tea, having dinner, streaming, just my flow, my thoughts of art, where I'm feeling right now, just, you know, maybe a bi-weekly vlog or something like that. Let me know what you guys want to see. I miss you guys, and I would love to know what you guys are doing this year. What's your New Year's resolution? Mine was literally to draw and see more friends. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job of that. We're already in March, and I feel like I am seeing a lot of friends and family, so that's good. And I'm really getting back into drawing. So hopefully you want to come on this crazy journey with me, and I can't wait to see you guys in the time-lapse video. Bye!